Hey everyone, it's Irvin here again. Tim with Irvin. Today is April 5th, 2020, making today a Sunday. Guys, do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification below. That's when we usually will let you know when we post brand new videos about the triple arrow system, one of the best systems in the world. Alright, so make sure you do that, and let me go ahead and give you the disclaimer because I believe everyone needs to know. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to collect hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. You got it. You got it. Another thing, guys, please, if you have not used my FX Hour, please do so by downloading that on your phone, which is going to give you the London, the New York, the Tokyo, the Sydney, the Frankfurt. It's going to give you all the timing of the market. So it's very, very important to have that. And make sure you guys download my FX book. Someone sent me a message and said, Irvin, can you send me a reminder about the FX book? Here it is, guys. I forgot your name, but here it is. So make sure you download that app, so you will know when the market will be posting videos. I mean, the news are gonna be updated. So it's very important for you to know that, okay? So let's go ahead and start, guys, today. Hopefully everything makes sense, and so we all be on the same page, all right? If you pay attention here, we're gonna start with US dollar versus our Swiss francs. Pay attention what this trade is doing here. Pay close attention, guys. Look at here. Clearly it's telling you I'm in on 4 hours. Pay attention what the triple arrow is doing. Look at that. Triple arrow. What do you think is triple arrow doing? Alright, let me write it down because I see. Let me see. Look at this. Look at this. We are in a sell position, right? So now when I'm looking for this particular area here, we are looking for a continuation of the trend doing what? A sell position. Then once it hit that area, I'm looking to retest R23 to R38 Fibonacci line, which is gonna do a small pullback. No, actually it's gonna do a pullback from there, right? We'll do a pullback and then the market will take off as a bullish market. All right, so that makes sense to you? All right, so let me do it again. Look at this. From this area, we're looking to retest R23 to R38 Fibonacci line, right? And then we'll do a continuation of the trend. It will go as bullish. All right. Make sure if you have any questions, drop it below, guys. That is the only way that I can help you out. All right, let me take all this, and then we're gonna go on to our next pair. Do you guys have any question? Any question, guys? If not, let me go to the next one. All right, let's go ahead and analyze US dollar versus a Swiss francs. Pay attention what this market is doing. This market been consolidated since last week, but this is what I'm thinking here. For this week, for the week of April 6th to the 10th, I'm looking for a pullback continuation of this consolidating trend to retest R38 Fibonacci line, and then it will take off to R61 Fibonacci line. Come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where I'm gonna go in details how I'm doing all this stuff. Make sure you subscribe. If not, then there's nothing I can do. And remember, I'm the IT support for the Super Easy family. If you have any issue with your template and it's so wrong, send me a message, or I'll send an email to the Super Easy email, and then they will reroute that ticket to me. But just to give you a heads up, I'm the IT support. Anything that is wrong, you let me know. All right, so hopefully this makes sense, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and go to the next one. We're gonna go to euro versus our New Zealand dollar. Ooh, this is good. This is good. What I'm seeing here is a retesting R61 to R50 Fibonacci line, then the market will take down and it will basically retest R78 to R0, R100 Fibonacci line. Do you guys have any question of this? Pay attention to the time frame that I'm using. Pay close attention. It, to me, is very important. Let me do it like this way, so maybe it will open up your vision here. Look at that. I'm using what time frame? I'm using 4 hours, guys. 4 hours. If you guys have any question, my private Telegram is on the description of this video, guys. Click on that one. If you are first time watching this video and you want to grab the triple arrow system, the link is also below, where we are giving you $20 cash back. All right. So hopefully all that is clear. And you guys have any question on this particular pair? If not, we'll move on. I'm trying to keep this video under 20 minutes, 25 minutes, so you understand. I already posted the pre-week analysis guide where I gave you an extra pair on gold. So hopefully that pair you will understand how I do the analysis behind scene. But usually I analyze Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. In this yesterday video, I dropped gold. So hopefully that will help you out. So make sure that, remember, this is for the week of April 6th to the 10th, guys. This is it. All right, let's go to the next pair. Let's go to GBP Canadian dollars. Ooh, this is good. This is really good. I'm seeing a lot of pullback this week, guys. Come back on Wednesday. We're gonna reanalyze this. I'm looking for a retest on our 61 Fibonacci line. Then from that particular area, the market will come back and retest R288 to R23 Fibonacci line. Okay, so hopefully this will help you out. Makes sense. If you have any question, again, my private link is on the description of this video. Send me a message and we can wrestle this and see how I can help you. Okay, but it's up to you. If you want to do that, it's fine. If not, keep doing what you do best. But remember, the last 2 weeks I did 14 pairs, right? Out of 14 pairs, 0 losses. This past week we did, I think it was 13 or 14. How many did we lose? Only 1. That's right, only 1 in 2 straight weeks, guys. This system is the best. If you know how to use it, trust me, guys. This is, oh my God, it's just freaking easy. All right. So, but I mean, remember, a lot of people are staying home, guys. Learn this. Watch all this video. All this stuff is free info for you guys. We're doing a lot of heavy lifting in the back. So all you got to do is watch it, go back to your software, analyze it, and see if it works. If you are confused, send us a message, and then we can see how can we help you. All right, pay attention to our USD versus our Canadian dollar. This is another great one. In my opinion, this is the first one that I really love extra. Because the other ones, it seems like they're doing more pullback. But when I'm pay attention what this one is doing. Look at what the triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is clearly giving us a what? It's giving us a bullish market. Oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. Look at that. It's giving us a clearly bullish market. Yes, it's doing a pullback. Pullback, in my opinion, is over. What do you think it's going to do from that particular area, guys? This is your opportunity. What I'm seeing here is a bullish market. That's what I'm seeing from there. So what is going to happen is the market will take off. We'll go north, in my opinion. Come back on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we're going to reanalyze it. In my opinion, it's going to come there. And then it's going to retest our 61 Fibonacci line. Then we'll take off. If that makes sense, guys? Let me know, please. Let me know. This is the only way you will understand. I'm here. Write your comments. Write your questions. I'm here to help you. If I can help you, that's fine. If I cannot help you, right away, then you send a private message or send us an email and say, how can Irvin help me? Whatever you want to do. But look at this, man. This is freaking simple, guys. This is simple. All right, let's go home. Let's go to the next one here. Let's go on GBP versus our New Zealand dollar. Pay attention to these other B's. What is this one doing here, guys? Tell me. Oh, got it. This is beautiful. I didn't even know it was that good. Pay attention to this one. Look at that. Triple arrow is going where? Boom! It's going nowhere. That means it's going bullish market. Exactly what it's doing now. It's kind of like doing in a small pullback, but in my opinion, it's a very tiny pullback. I don't have full confirmation yet. Yes, the market will retrace heavy, but hey, we're gonna come back and retest R52, our mid 38 Fibonacci line. Then the market will take off as bullish market, because anyway, the market is bullish. Remember, guys, we are coming at 6 p.m. Eastern time. This is your time. This is your time. So hopefully this makes sense, guys. I don't know how new you are. Make sure you subscribe, one thing, and rewatch this video. These videos are pretty neat. You know, go back to your software, reanalyze the whole thing again. If you are confused, that's when you send me a message. If you're not confused, then so far a lot of people are doing great. So that makes me super excited. Remember that if you are new again and you are watching this video for the first time and you want to join us, the description of the triple arrow is below, where we are giving you $20 cash back. All right, let's go to the next pair. This is on the Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen. This was a winner last week. This was great. Now, what is the time? What am I seeing for this week? I'm seeing, to be honest, a market retesting, doing a tiny pullback, retesting our mid 61 to our 50 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue as bearish as promised. All right, because I mean, we know the market is bearish. I don't know if you know when is the triple arrow doing a pullback. I don't know if you know all that stuff, but I have rules, guys. I respect my rules. I trade very religiously based on my rules, and my rules are straightforward, 100% triple arrow, exactly what you're seeing here. See that? I don't use any extra indicator. I want to make the job easy. That's what it's called, super easy, because it's easy. Look at that triple arrows doing there. Triple arrow come in, market drop. Look at what happened here. Triple arrow come in as a bullish, market went up. That's all I want. That's all I want to keep it to you guys. I want to keep this clean and it's sweet. There's no reason for me to be giving you a hard time and say, look at this here, support and resistance here and there. No, I have rules, guys, and it's very simple, very straightforward. All right, are we clear on that? All right, let's go ahead and move on to our next pair of the day. Pay attention, we are gonna go ahead and analyze NCD versus our US dollar. Oh goodness, this is a good one. This is a really good one. Pay attention. First of all, what is the triple arrow doing? Pay close attention. Look at that. Triple arrows clearly telling you market is bullish. Isn't it? You here watching it. Look at that. Now what I was saying, we are seeing a pullback. Okay. Then most likely we need one or two more candles. Then we see a continuation of the trend, retesting our 61 Fibonacci line. Then we'll do from our 61 Fibonacci line, we'll do a very tiny pullback. Then market will take as bullish. Look at that. Look at what the triple arrow is not lying here. Look at what the triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is giving you a bullish market. That's what it's doing. All this here, all this is just a pullback, guy. If you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't do it. In my opinion, always trade going with the trend. Going with the trend. If the trend is bullish, go bullish. Don't go bearish if you don't know how to do pullback. But I mean, this is easy, guys. It's super, super simple. I mean, if you have any questions, just let me know. But I mean, I'm here to help you if you want to get help. But it's up to you. All right? We're not putting pressure. We're just giving you all this stuff for free. It takes a lot of time, guys. It takes a lot. If you want to support the super shot, I mean, it's open. You could do that. Then I will see what I can do next. And I want to create a team, guys, where maybe I can help you out and teach you how I do my stuff behind scene. But I just don't know how. Maybe you can come up with an idea, and maybe we can, you know, reconsider that and see how I can help you get those hundreds and hundreds of pips. Because to be honest, I really don't know how to, and I really want to find a way to help you out. Because this is a proven system, guys. You see, and I take 14. Sometimes all 14 goes on profit. Sometimes I take, you know, less, 1 or 2 pairs goes against. Still pretty good, in my opinion. Still 99% winning ratio. Yeah, I mean, it's not guaranteed, obviously. But the market will do whatever it wants, but we do our best to keep everything smoothly. I mean, you're seeing it every week when we come back on Wednesday. Make sure you subscribe so you will not miss when I send the link on Wednesday. If you're not subscribed, I'm sorry, you're not gonna be able to see the link when I come live, because I will let you know. All right, let's go to the next page here. Let's go to our GBP versus our Japanese yen. Ooh, this is good. This is good. Actually, let me see. We're gonna put it here on our 50 Fibonacci line. I think this one is gonna drop more than what I'm thinking, but hey. Alright, so pay attention to what I'm doing here. First of all, who is in charge? You said triple arrow. Ooh, I don't like this triple arrow. Look at that. I make the two. Oops. Oh, god damn it. Let me delete all this crap here. Pay attention to what I have here. Look at that. Triple arrow. Where is the triple arrow going? Triple arrow is a bullish market. Oh, god damn it. Guys, can you guys help me out, man? When I do this, I just don't know. I get too excited. Look at that. Now, market goes up. Now we're looking for what? We're looking for a what? What do you think is that? What do you think is doing in that particular area? Let me write it down, because sometimes that's only the way how you will learn. It's doing a pullback. And this here, we had the triple arrow going what? Going bullish. Right now, it's doing a pullback bearish. Right? That's what it's doing. So, yes, it will come back and retest where? It would retest our 50 Fibonacci line. That's what I'm thinking here. Look at that, 50 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, from here, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for a bullish market. What? That's it. Do you have any question? This is what I'm looking to go from here, right? So market will take all the way up. Then we're gonna come back on Wednesday, where we're gonna analyze this with you again live. Then where you're gonna have the opportunity to ask questions. All right. So my private link is below, guys. Send me a message if you are confused. But this is no way for you to be confused. All right. And remember, I'm the IT support for the triple arrow. If you have any issue with your template or whatever, sometimes I realize the template are completely wrong. The instruction is nice and clean, but sometimes you download the template the way you want it. All right. So if send a ticket to the Super Easy family, and they will rewrite it to me, and then I will help you out. All right. But that is if you want to get extra help. I'm telling you what the tools are available. So some of you they got too much pride and they don't want no one to help them. But I mean, in this, we are a family. All right, let's go to the next pair. Let's go to our favorite pair. This is wow. A lot of people are loving this one. Look at this one. This is pretty similar to all the trades that we just took in there, right? that we just analyzed. Pretty simple. Pay attention here. So we're looking. What is the what is the triple arrow doing here? Pay attention. Let me write it down, guys. I think this will help. Look at here. Triple arrow. Alright. Triple arrow is giving us what? It's giving a bearish market, right? That's what it's doing. You agree with me? It's doing that. Clearly, it's dropping. The market is dropping down. Damn, this is too big. I don't know how I grabbed this too big. But anyway, let me take, oh god damn it. Let me take it off, come back and redo it again. Anyway, you're here watching this, enjoying this, taking notes, trying to figure it out, but it's not hard. So what I'm looking here, look at that triple arrow gave us a bearish market drop currently. Now it retests what? It retests our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line, which is fine. Now we're looking for a retest in our 23 Fibonacci line. Actually, I really love this one. To be honest, this one will, in my opinion, a market will be a bullish market. It may do a pullback, retesting exactly what it's retesting right now, and then the market will go up. But in my opinion, this market here, let me write it down, huge, so you can see it. In my opinion here, we're looking for a buy position. I love that area, guys. I really love it. If you have seen my other video, or if you have sit down with me and privately, you should understand this. But this is a freaking good one. All right, this is good one. But remember, always check my FX book, guys. Always check for the news, because you know any of this pair is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released. But I mean, it's very straightforward. It's no magic here. Triple arrows is nice and clean, guys. Super easy. Let me delete this. I don't even know why I had that. Probably it was from the previous analysis that I did. And I already did the pre-week video where I gave you the analysis for gold, and I told you the market is dropping. I also gave you the pair of AUD USD, where I told you I was gonna do a small little tiny pullback and go bullish. And then I'm telling you, it's a lot of pullback, guys, a lot of pullback. But if you don't know how to trade pullback, stay away. But I mean, I'm here to help you out as much as I can. And then we got our GBP USD. Look at that, another pullback, and then market will take off. That's bullish. Pay attention to Euro USD. Euro USD is giving us what? It's giving us a bullish market, and then it will do a small tiny pullback, and then market will do a bullish market. It's that freaking simple, guys. This don't make this so complicated. There's no reason for you to make complicated. And please, if you have any question, let me show you something real cool, because sometimes I just don't. Let me hold on. Okay, let me open another page. So that is only if you have question. If you don't have question, let me bring
as an active
yesterday, right? Look at this. This is the pre-week that I did, right? So, well, people are already commenting there. Look at that. Just click on that, what the description is. Look at that triple arrow. Sign up in there. My private link is here. Let me make this in a different color so you can see it. Let's select this and this color here. Look at here. See? Triple arrows here. My private link is there. This is the public Telegram, where sometimes I put extra video. You want to sign up. I have Robinhood. This is the broker I use. I really love this broker, guys. Traders Way is one of my favorite ones. So send me a message. Send me a message to my private Telegram if you have any question, and then we go from there. But I mean, it's that simple, okay? I mean, don't make this thing so hard, because there's no reason for you to think it's hard. Nothing is hard. What is hard is for you not to ask questions. That is hard. But don't think this is hard. Do you guys have any question? Any question, guys? Let me know, because if you don't have no question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Guess what? I'm gonna go home.